What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Danny. Currently I live full-time in the back of my 2004 Toyota Tacoma, and we're going to do a little upgrade today. I'm going to install a 12,000 pound winch onto the front bumper that we got here, and I'm super excited to be showing you guys my little process. Here's the winch. A friend of mine got me that for Christmas. He's getting rid of his rig. Super sick. Huge shout out to Luke for giving that to me for Christmas. Thank you so much. It's going to be awesome for my adventures later on this year. Hopefully I will be able to get this done today. I don't know if I will be able to or not. I have to take off the entire bumper, and it is going to be a pain. Also, if you're wondering why I sound a little bit weird, it's because I'm sick. There's been some cold flu stuff going around, and I kind of got it. And yeah, I'm sick now. But I'm at the end of it, so hopefully it's not too much longer that I am feeling like this. But it's been pretty shitty. Start the dismount of the bumper. Where I'm building the camper, by the way, guys. It's gonna be loud in here. Pretty much every single day I'm building the camper. It's a sweet space that my buddy let me use. I'm gonna be building the camper right here, starting this week. I'm excited. Alrighty. I didn't even have to take off the blinkers. That makes me so happy. These wires are all wired in really nicely. I didn't want to have to undo them. Put the winch on there, and yeah. No way. Doesn't fit. Well, bad luck. This piece is just a little bit too big. Now, because I can't finish that, I am going to take my pod lights off of here and put them in the bumper slots. Because I have the bumper off, I might as well put them down there, and I can always buy new ones to go up top. And I really don't want to have to buy another set of lights and then take off the bumper again just for lighting. So I'm gonna do it now, get it over with, and yeah. Whew.
Watch your eyes, because this chroming might blow off.
Alright, we just got the winch in there. Now we gotta put these bolts to hold it on. We'll be almost set to go. Alright guys, just got the bolts in. Go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Just got them in. All set to go. Time to mount the bumper. Time to do the wiring now. We're gonna lift up the whole thing, and we gotta get it. These two screws right here have to be sitting on this. So those two have to be sitting on that, right there. And we're just gonna watch to not pinch the wire. Pinch the wire in there. Almost done. So close. Got the pod lights, winch. I have to figure out a place to put this up here. I'm probably gonna take this off and then put it behind that. But yeah, almost there. Time to get all the bolts in. This is the last bolt I gotta put in, and then we're done. After 2 days trying to put this thing on, I'm finally done. The lights, and it's all set up and ready to go for the front end. Now to the camper build. Make sure you guys, if you guys are liking this build, also if you guys haven't checked out last week's video, right here, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I will see you guys next week in the next video. Peace.